Hello, 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 hello. Is this working? Nice, nice. Okay. Music not working. Nice. I think this has to be a little bit louder. I think this has to be a little bit louder. Perfect. All right, all right, all right. Is already someone here? Let me know for sure. What's up, Seda? How are you? All good. Can you tell me, is everything working with the sound? Hey man, Hierocliff. Nice, you can lurk, you can listen. It's all good. There's no specific plan for today, just a launch of my academy, but that's it. If you have Shopify questions, if you have other questions, let me know. Seda, I'm doing great so far. And you, sup? Bro, I'm super good. Just a little bit nervous because today I'm launching my Shopify Developer Academy, and I never launched something, so we will see how this will turn out. I also, you see, I have this little counter here. Yeah, and I hope this goes up in the in this live stream. So we will see. Yes, but I'm also just here for talking stuff, doing stuff. So if you have questions, let me know. How's your day, man? Still learning Shopify, a lot of things to learn and figure out. Yes, it is, for sure. I also have my videos, if you checked them out before. I do a lot of free stuff. But yeah, like I said, if you have, I'm launching my academy today, which is like a purchasable course, which you can use to learn even more, but you don't have to, of course. I still will put out videos in the future, for sure. No need to be nervous, bro. It's great content for sure. Yes, man. Thanks, man. But still, like, I'm working on this for 1.5 years now. So, yeah, just like irrational, you know, but still also exciting. So not in a negative way. And in 10 minutes, I will just open it up and we will see what happens. And if you're still here, like I said, we can talk stuff. Tell me about yourself, like Sada, Hiroko, Cliff. Like, what are you doing? Still learning? Are you already working as Shopify developers, or what's the deal? Also, where are you from? Sada, are you... Is it Turkish? I'm already into smaller front-end stuff in Shopify and learning besides my job. Awesome, man. I did the same for me. I just started out working in a e-commerce company. And then I teach myself coding. And then step by step, work my way up. Cliff, I run a small IT company and did stumble on Shopify through a client, so helping them sometimes. Awesome, man. Sounds good. Philip, what's up? Let's go. All good? Nice to see you here. In German it's called IT System Administrator. Sure, German word. I guess the English job position is the same. Ah, okay, from Germany. Yes, because I know some Turkish. Nasılsın? Günaydın and teşekkür ederim. Yes, that was it. Also bad words, but we keep it here. Nabend. Hello, hello, hello. All good? Yes, I wear Snox, exactly. Until 2022. So 3 years ago. It's crazy, man. Time is running. 3 years ago. It's crazy. Fucking hell. Now doing my own stuff. Hey Prasanna, all the best, man. Looking forward. Thank you so much. I'm also looking forward. Nice that you're here. Just hanging out. In Germany, Turkish became the second country language. Everyone knows at least one good and one bad word. Yes, man. I think it's also important. Also, I was in Istanbul. I have, how do you say, Turkish Airlines in 2021. So in the 2 days in Istanbul, I also learned some stuff. Nico, Abfahrt. Let's go. Soon it's ready. Yeah, I hope I do everything right here because I mean, you know Shopify, I guess, and I have the shop and I have the launch theme. Oops, not this. I have the launch theme ready to launch, and I hope everything is working out here. And then let's see what happens. Yes. Can we expect admin app on the course later? What's your plan? So my plan is, so I already have my, I will show you also later when everything is live. I have my first module called Liquid Basics, which is basically the starting point to learn Shopify development, theme development. But I want to extend on that and will provide, like, the full course will be so that you are able to develop anything or build anything inside a theme, but it's not app related for now. So this will be like full theme course development for theme development, but I will add an app development, Shopify app developer course later, maybe next year. But I also will bring some like inspiration from app development, because sometimes you need to develop like extension stuff to make things in the front end work. So we will see. But for now, this is like more theme dev related. So yes, but app, I want to cover everything basically in the future. It's just like a matter of time and resources I can put into. But if this works well, the launch, I will have more time and more resources to put into the course. Yeah, so everything depends on the stuff that happens today. Now, I mean, I don't have expectations, even if it's like not well like taken, then I still will work on it until it works. So yes, app development stuff will come in the future for sure. So Seda, where are you from? Is it where are you working as a IT administrator? IT Systemadministrator. Okay, only 3 minutes left, 3.5. Also, does anybody know like the new Shopify editions winter, when they will come out? I have to look it up later. Because I think it's time soon again, Shopify editions. Yeah, we will see, because then I will do another live stream for sure when this comes out. Yes. Ooh, nice playlist in the background. Yes, it's from a really nice channel. It's called Zuki. I just discovered it, so it's like my working music. So if you want, you can also check it out for sure. Zuki. Pretty good. Working in a solar company right now, but my aim is to get into A/B testing and stuff. Surely you know Drip, trying to aim for something like that, but as like Selbstständiger, working for yourself, freelancing. Nice. Yes, I also know like Samuel, like the owner. And funny thing is, I will do a A/B testing or conversion rate optimization course or module in the future for sure, because it's a thing a lot of people want and you can do a lot of money with it. So will be on the list for sure for the future. We will see how this will turn out. Okay, I guess let's just open it. It's 1 minute until the email goes out. So yeah, let's just publish this thing, I guess. And then let's see what happens. All right, are you ready? Okay, wait, let's wait 1 or 2 more seconds. All right, let's just start it now. Give me the countdown. 3, 2, 1. Let's go. I hope this works. Let's refresh now. We have everything ready. Get pre-access now. You can go here. And most of all, you can purchase the thing. Yes, perfect. I think this should work out. All right, let's go. Let's go, boys. We did it. It's launched. Gerardo, hello, what's up? All good, all good. Wait a second. I also have to put my Bosidev Academy live now. Post in the Discord. So much spam lately. So, yes. All right, guys. We are live. I also have a cool little chat in here. You cannot see it, but it's in the bottom right of the screen. Oh yeah, wait. Sure, let me quickly copy it in here. So here you get directly to the landing page for the Shopify developer course. The prices, I told him already in the email and the Discords and everywhere, but you can find it like down here. When you click on the start learning, you go down here where you can purchase either the full course or just the single Liquid Basics module for now. But yeah, I mean, it's live now. Let's see what happens. Basically, I also, yeah, just tried to like design like a good landing page and stuff, but let's just go here again. You can see all the stuff that is going on here, and basically what I want to follow with this course is so that you are ready to build anything from scratch that you want as a Shopify theme developer. So yeah, the course is not done yet. I already built like one module and the whole platform for it. So the course will be built in the future still with your feedback, and also I aim for around like the end of the year, beginning of next year, that all the modules are done. And the modules, oh, first one, we have first one, I guess we have the first one. Damn. Oh, exciting. Okay, I'm sorry. First one. Thank you so much. I see you. I don't know. I don't want to call your name, but I see you, my man. Thank you so much. Appreciate it. Yes. Thank you so much. Also, let me know if it works. Yes, counter going up. 1. Thank you so much. Check it out. I don't know. Can I say your name? I don't know. Check it out. I will tell you how to access the content. If you created your custom account, you can go to your account and go to modules, and then you will see the first module inside of here. Yes. Thank you so much. It's really crazy. Thank you. I'm really nervous. So thank you so much for the support, of course. But yeah, what I wanted to say, I will build this course till the end of the year. Beginning of next year, I will put more modules. Wait a second. How can I log in now? So basically, you need to create a customer account. If you already have one, that's fine, but you need a custom account with the same email address as you ordered. So sign up or log in with this, and then you will see everything under the modules tab. It's Nico who purchased this clothes here. Maybe, maybe not. So let me know if it works. You can also, that person can of course text me on Discord also, so I can check it out if it's not working, but it should work. So yes, and the modules for this course will be, the first one is Liquid Basics, then I will also do a theme basics, so you understand everything about the Shopify theme, section snippet building, meta fields, meta objects. I will do advanced JavaScript because that's what a lot of people want to know. Shopify APIs, like card API, section rendering API, everything, so you can build like basically anything you want in a theme. And of course the performance optimization module, where I want to show you how to build like 4 optimized themes. And what is also really important to me is, I mean, you also want to make money with it, I guess. So I will build a personal branding module, or just like how to get clients module, so you understand how I made $100,000 a year, like in my last 2 to 3 years, just by doing personal branding. And I think that's also really important. So you have on the one hand the code aspect, where you get like super high-end level Shopify development skills, and then you get the skills to actually acquire the customers. That's the plan for now, and depending on your feedback, I will of course build up on that. And it's lifetime access, one-time purchase, so lifetime access plus updates, and this is like really my project I'm heavily invested in, so I will do everything so this keeps being like the best course out there. And it's just for this launch discount this cheap. It won't get any cheaper than this, so if you're really hesitating, I would highly suggest doing it. If not, then it's not my fault. Still happy that you hang out for sure. Just a quick question. Will the course also cover how to create the product page from scratch, along with the checkout and all the details about variants and making the product page dynamic? Yes. So in the end, I cannot show you because it's not done already, but there will be like one final module or a final project where you will build all the main pages from scratch. So a product page, collection page, cart. Articles and blogs is like not super important, but the home page and the most important sections, building yourself, so you can basically build anything you want. So for your question, yes, there will be also a module in the future where you can build a product page from scratch with a variant picker and everything that goes along with it, for sure. But it's like step by step. So now it's like liquid basics first, then you need the architecture basics and all the stuff, until we come to the point where we can actually build stuff. And this will be more towards the end. So the end of the year, beginning of next year. Very well designed. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. I took a lot of time. Oh yeah, by the way, this is like everything built onto a Shopify store. If you didn't already realize, this is the Dawn theme. Doesn't look like, it looks a little bit like the Dawn theme still, because I'm using like these pre-built sections here, but this is everything custom built, like the product page is custom built, and of course like all the custom account is here custom built. This is not Dawn anymore. And let me show you also how the module looks if you're interested. So if you are going to purchase the course or the module, you can access everything here back in your custom account if you purchased. And like the whole course system is a custom app that I wrote, which basically handles everything for the course. And you have all these chapters and lessons. And the best thing is, so you get step-by-step learning. It's like lessons are built on top of each other. Also the chapters. And the coolest thing is, I built it myself. It's like a built-in code editor. So it's like when I learned coding back in 2021, I started with Codecademy, and they have this really cool feature where you have a code editor inside the platform, so which you can use to like run the code. So you don't need to have a code editor on your PC for now. You can just use the code editor, because there's like tasks you can do inside the lessons to instantly learn or instantly work with what you learned in the lesson. And this works pretty nice. So I should probably remove this chat bubble here, I can see, because you cannot go to the next lesson. But yeah, I think this is like the main part of the platform. You don't have to leave the platform, and it's not like, oh, this is like a video course where you just have to jump back and forth from stuff. You you have everything right inside the interface, which is pretty cool. Looks amazing. Thank you so much. Took a lot of time. I'm also really proud. Yes. Everything you need in one app. I love it. Yes, it's everything inside. And this will be like the main thing for the course. But also if I feel that people need to have also like videos and stuff, of course I will add videos to it in the future. But for now it's like text-based and step by step. And I will see just like the feedback, because that's also another point why I am going with like this pre-access now, because I can take the feedback from you and just work on it and improve it. Looks like a lot of work and great possibility for people to level up their skills. Yes, it will, for sure. For everyone who is joining, for sure, yes. And that is basically it. Then of course, I mean, I have the course, which will be everything included. But then of course I have the modules separately to buy, which is on the long run like just more expensive. But if you say, oh, you just want to get to know about Liquid Basics or Shopify APIs or JavaScript in the future, you can just go ahead and purchase like one single module, and that's it. Or even 2 or 3, depending on it. But for now, it's just this one. So yes, do you have any other questions, or do you have like Shopify related questions? I'm not just here to, I mean, I'm here to promote the launch, but if you are, if you want to ask Shopify related questions or just Shopify freelancing related questions, app questions, you can also let me know. I think I will just turn this off. No one needs a chat. We have the chat here. Abdul, hello Bosi, how are you? Bro, I'm really good, thank you so much. Sorry for getting late to join, man. It's also no problem. I'm just here to hang out, answer questions for a little bit, and if there's no questions anymore, then it's basically done. So Marco S. Is it the Marco S? I think it is. Looks like great work you did there. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. Is there is there a way to contact you if any questions arise? Good question, Zosi. If there are any questions, I mean, you can always like join my Discord server, which, I mean, you can go to my other videos and just like see I have a Discord server which I have, yes, which is like, where is it? Here. You can join this, or you can contact me via email, of course, info@bosidev.com if you have any questions. I also want to implement, I didn't do this, but I'm implementing a contact form, so you can contact me. And yeah, maybe this chat thingy here, but I'm not quite sure. So if there's anything you want to ask after today or after this hour, you can always come back to me via email or otherwise. Abdul, where have you been? Have you been busy working? Hansi, great work. What do you mean by great work? Can you explain a little bit more? Just joking. Thank you for showing up. Do you have any questions, Hansi or Marco? Also what I thought about, but I think this was not quite legal, unfortunately. But I have this keyboard from Shopify, like an original Shopify keyboard back at home. So this will be at one point a thing that I will be giving away to someone. I thought about putting it into also here my launch. So for everyone who's buying the course, you get the thing, but I think this was not like legal because of lottery. I don't know. I'm not good with laws, so I just kept it. But I will do it in the future with course participants or course members, that I will give away this Shopify keyboard to a random person. I'm not quite sure. Not like that, but just finished dinner. What was for dinner? Give away a subscription. What do you mean by give away a subscription? Egg and fish. Sounds like the food I eat every day, 3 times a day. Just egg and fish. So good, man. Of course with rice. A little bit of vegetables. Always good. Healthy. It's also important to perform. Because we devs, we have a busy mind. It also takes energy. So egg, fish and rice, always good. How's the work doing, Abdul? You have enough clients currently? Okay, since I don't know what to do actually. I just wanted to explain like what's going on. If you don't have any questions, like I said, do you have any other questions? Shopify related, theme dev related, app dev related, because I can also jump in to my code editor and show some stuff. Like I said, I'm not just here to promote everything and sit around. So you can always ask me questions if you have any regarding your projects or your freelancing. Small amount, because it's hard to get client from Upwork. Yeah, Upwork, Fiverr, also not my vibe. Also, Abdul, I think you also try to, I mean, can I show, or I mean, I can just like talk about it, because I saw you also posting on LinkedIn, but I think there's a lot of like, I mean, for me, like LinkedIn is the best way to make good clients, but it's always about like how much effort and like uniqueness you put in, because a lot of people tend to use ChatGPT for everything, and I think this can like backfire a little bit. So I think you can go LinkedIn even more, because there are the good clients, Abdul, and just like try to keep consistent and provide like unique value to your followers. And I think this will be much better than hunting on Upwork and Fiverr for stuff. Gerardo, when I try to pay with PayPal, I get an error. Ooh. Wait a second. Let me check this. 1 second. What error do you get, Gerardo? When I try to pay, I get an error. What error exactly? Let me check this. There was an issue with PayPal. That's not good. I need to check this in a second. Fiverr and Upwork is price dumping. There was an issue with PayPal. I'm so sorry. Wait a second. I try again, because that's not good. If you have troubles with PayPal, I'm so sorry. I don't know what is going on, to be honest, because I don't have like any information on this. I think, I mean, if you want to purchase, can you try another payment method? Because this is like annoying. But I cannot find out what is the problem right now. Okay, I'm sorry guys, I think I didn't know this, I have to do some stuff, but I'm still here, just like I tried to read the chat while doing it. And therefore I will quickly, oh, is there also the camera not working anymore? I'm so sorry. Wait a second. Let's do it like this. Sorry, you can get this view now, but I have to quickly check something before, because I think there's like problems with PayPal and I need to fix this real quick. I'm so sorry guys, I will make up for it, but I need to Gerardo, where are you from? Because it switched back to dollars. Where are you from? Another Peru. Okay, so it switched to euro. Wait a second, I have to quickly check. I'm checking this right now, Gerardo. We get this going for sure. And just give me one moment. What is the full curriculum of the course? The course is currently still like in progress, but there's already one module available. It's like the Liquid Basics, but the full curriculum will be everything from Liquid Basics, Theme Dev Basics, Advanced JavaScript, Shopify APIs, Performance Optimization module, and even personal branding module, so you can get clients. But I also will go with the feedback of the course members. So if you feel like there's missing something, I will also take this in. And in the end, there will be like a big project where we will build a product page, collection page, the cart and the home page from scratch. So you can really apply everything that you learned. If you also want to have stuff inside that I'm missing, you can always tell me, because this is like full access, lifetime updates, and I will take the feedback from the course members into account for sure. Okay, wait, Gerardo, let me just quickly check it with the currency. We have Peru. All right. Can you try it again, Gerardo, with the currency? I still have to work on the PayPal problem. Price should be around 150. No, should be not around 150. Or why do you think it should be around 150? Maybe I'm changing my mind. Also, the course is not 299 normally, it's normally 599, just like to make sure. I'm back in a second. Wait, one moment. Yes, storefront API. 1 second. There will be like one major module where we will cover the card API, section rendering API, and also the predictive search API. So you're able to build a card drawer from scratch, use the section rendering API to create like dynamic sections, for example, collection filters, collection sort, but also other cases, and predictive search API to predict search results for the search bar. This will be like one big module where I'm teaching everything. So this will be also included for sure. Sorry, I'm trying to fixing the PayPal problem while we're talking. I mean, something has to go wrong, right? For sure, yes. Gerardo, did you already try it with the... Is the currency still changing or is it working? It will make more people to be able to buy this course, so make it around 150 at least for these 6 days. I mean, will it make you buy the course? I'm not quite sure about other people, but yes. And also, like for the future, I will be offering cheaper versions of the course where there's like restricted access or something like that. So this is like the full course, and I cannot offer the full course for $150. That's not possible because it will be so much content, so it's not justified to make it cheaper than this. But there will be options, or you can just like take, I mean, if it's like, there's still like resources out there, you can always go like the self-study route and try everything for free. Just like go to YouTube, search stuff. I mean, this course is like really to give you everything you need in a shortcut. But if the budget is like your main problem, then you can always go out and try it with free resources, which I always provide with my videos. So if you don't want to buy the course, you can just like watch my videos. That's also fine. But this course on this platform is definitely worth the pricing I'm giving it. I think the price is fine. Yes, I mean, I think the same, we will see for sure, but there's other courses way more expensive than this. And I think the platform I'm providing is like the same standard for sure. Yes, Mohammed. Yes, it will work for me at least. I mean, sure. But like I said, there's also like Udemy courses for way cheaper than this. There's free resources. You can always go there. I mean, it's not that I don't want you in my course system, but if you want to join, then the budget like must be given, because this is like a top-notch platform with top-notch content, and that's why I think this is worth the price for sure. I mean, if you make double or the triple back on it, which you will for sure, then it's worth it, you know? You know what I mean? Could I pay you directly with my PayPal and then you give me access manually? Yes, that's also possible. I just need to make sure that like for the taxes, everything's right. Just give me one more second, or I will get back to you after the live stream. Are you in my Discord community, Gerardo? Or you can also text me there if you're in there, or just reply to any email I sent you if you're in the newsletter, and we get this going for sure. I mean, if it doesn't work, then we do it like this, but I have to make it work anyway, so... Okay, got you. I've seen much worse courses for much more money that looks like a lot of work and expertise. Yes, I agree, like, but everyone can decide for himself for sure. Guys. So stressful. God damn it. Christopher Lasky. Hey Bosi, congratulations on your launch. I'm so frustrated that I don't understand English and can't chat with you. I mean, which language are you speaking? I mean, if you don't understand me, which language are you speaking? I hope you understand this. You can tell me. Maybe I can talk with you. Who knows? But thank you so much for the congratulations. Ali, hey Bosi, congratulations on the launch and best of luck. Thank you so much. Really nerve-wracking. Also, PayPal is not working, so I'm not sure if anyone tried, but I have to fix this. Something has to go wrong, but yeah. But thank you so much, man. Do you have any questions, Ali? Let me know. Gerardo, creating applications for Shopify also seems like a very interesting topic. It's very different from creating themes, or is the approach similar? So I will also create a Shopify app course related modules in my academy for sure, because I think it's a big topic right now. It's just that I want to mainly focus on the theme aspect first. But yes, so I mean, it's super different, I would say. Like themes is mainly front end, so HTML, CSS, JavaScript. It's just like the front end work. And applications, of course, like any other applications, is more of the back end stuff, where you can also use like React, which you can't use in a normal theme. And like, I mean, you have to get to use to databases, just route everything out. So it's really different from creating themes. It also depends where you come from. If you come from the normal front end type of work, then theme development would be easier for you. But if you come like from the application background, then a Shopify application or app is basically the same thing as doing other applications. So yeah. But I will also create content for this, also free content on YouTube soon, when I have more time. What is included in the Liquid Basic module? What topics are covered? Interesting question. So let me show you. Yeah, like I said, I'm so sorry that I have to do this stuff while fixing the PayPal, because I'm a little bit scared that this will put people off. But it should work now. Gerardo, I hope I do it right. Can you try it again? Wait, I can also try again. Wait, I will first answer your question. Wait a second. So the chapters and lessons will be covering mainly the Liquid syntax and how Liquid, like which role Liquid plays in building websites in Shopify. And then you have like the syntax, for example, like outputting data and logic. And then you have the big ones, which is, wait, I can show you better. I built this, god damn it. So if you go to, I mean, I also have the landing pages for the separate modules, which is like in Euro right now because I'm from Europe. But you have the syllabus. So you have an introduction where we just like see, oh, you need these prerequisites, or who I am, who's teaching you. Then you have the objects. So the Liquid basics, like what is Liquid? How is Liquid integrating into the page? Then understanding objects. You have the product object on the product page, so you can access the title and stuff. For example, this is built with Liquid. You have the product title, for example. Then output text. How can you output data on a page? Data types, like you have numbers, you have strings, like data types, like any other programming languages. Object handles and common objects. Then we go to the logic, because you can take, you can create variables yourself, so objects yourself. You can output data based on conditions. So if the price is higher than this, then do this, etc., etc. Then you have operators, iterations, so you can display data. You can loop through data. For example, if you have a collection with products, you can loop through all the products and output stuff like on a collection page. And the last one is filters. So you have all the filters, or like the most common filters to modify data. For example, you have the product title and you want to cut the last string of this whole string, you can get a filter, or you have math filters to make calculations, for example, for your free shipping bar, etc., how everything works, so you can get the data that you want to output. And then in the last step, you have this big project where you will be building a collection page from scratch. So you can take all the knowledge you get and put it into this last project. So that's basically the content of the Liquid Basics. So you take around 1 week to fully like go through it, like 10 hours. So if you put 2 hours a day, that's 1 week roughly. So quickly, let me check the PayPal problem, because maybe I fixed it. We will see. Just quickly check here. Yes, okay, perfect. Awesome. Okay, I'm sorry. So PayPal is working again. Gerardo, PayPal is working again. If you want to try it. Whew, okay, stressful. Oh, like the hours, slowly but steady. It's over. So yeah, it's time for the last questions. Like I said, sorry again that I was so occupied by this problem. I wanted to make everything right so people can actually go purchase the course. And yeah, but if you have any other questions, now's the time, because in a couple of minutes I will be gone for this day, but you can always hit me up in my Discord channel or shoot me an email for sure. Will this course enable learners to develop a Shopify theme from scratch? Also, does it include any industry-level theme development projects as part of the learning experience? Yes and yes. So, will this course enable learners to develop a Shopify theme from scratch? Yes, but not only this. You will be able to develop a theme from scratch with high-level standard code, because, I mean, developing a theme from scratch is not the difficult part. It's rather about developing a theme that actually works and is optimized. So yes, in the end, there will be like a big module where we will build all the main pages of a store, and with the best code there is, basically. Also, does it include any industry level theme? Damn, second one. Thank you so much, appreciate it. There's the 2, if you can see it. Exciting, thank you. So also, does it include any, so first of all, thank you to the one who purchased. I'm really grateful, thank you so much. Also, does it include any industry level theme development projects as part of the learning experience? Yes, so I mean, I have this code editor built in to the lesson, but the later lessons we will be like developing from like actual stores and actual setup. So we will be jumping back and forth, because you cannot put everything into the lesson layout without actually jumping into a Shopify store and a theme yourself. So this will be also covered in the later modules. And then we will also build like variant pickers, card drawers, collection pages, everything from scratch, industry standard basically. Because like I said, it's easy to work just like to build stuff, but to build stuff that it's scalable, this is like another topic, and this will be covered. Alright guys, I think we slowly come to an end. Slowly come to an end with all the live stream and the launch. I mean, the discount is still up for roughly a week. I was also hesitant about doing it for a week because it's like so much time, but you still have time to think about it. You can still text me, like I said, via email or my Discord community. And yes, if you have any questions, just let me know there. But not only Academy related questions, you can always write me if you have questions about Shopify development or freelancing. You know, I always try to answer every questions there are, provide good tips and tricks. And yes. And Muhammad, like really think about it. Like I said, I mean, 150 you said. I mean, it's still like the double, but this will be lifetime and lifetime updates, and the value from it will be like 10 times higher than the $299 for sure. One more question, please. Which advanced JavaScript topics are covered as part of the curriculum? So, I mean, advanced JavaScript, I mean with this, like a lot of people write JavaScript like the easy way, and advanced JavaScript, I mean, we get highly into custom web components, custom HTML components to make everything more optimized and like more modular in combination with the Shopify APIs. Because I see a lot of JavaScript is just like put into files and it gives errors and nothing works. So this will be like really deep dive into how to write JavaScript that actually works with themes, and this is custom HTML elements. I mean, I already have the video on this, but this will be like a more deep dive because there's a lot more to it and how to use it to make it really effective. And then also the Shopify APIs that work into these. And we will build a lot of components based on these, and you will see that it will take your JavaScript to the next level. All right, let's end it here. I'm also gassed out now. My brain is not working anymore. It was really stressful the last couple of days. I just wanted to make everything right, and yeah, I really appreciate the support. There's 2 course members now, and I will work with them. I will work with their feedback, and yeah, if you think about it, like I said, just write me, join my Discord community if you didn't already have. Wait a second, let me find the invite link, so you can always come here. Yes, here it is. And if you think about getting the course, I will also link it in the chat again. And that's it for me now. Yeah, okay. All right, guys. Have a wonderful evening or morning, depending on where you're from. And I will tune out for today, and next live stream will be for the Shopify editions winter, which will be soon, I think. And next video will also be coming. I did a video pause because I wanted to make this launch. I will put out a video, I think, in maximum 2 weeks, and we will see which topic it will cover. But I'm not stopping providing the free content as well. So if this is too much money for you, like I said, just watch my videos and learn with this. All right, guys, have a good one, and then see you soon. Appreciate you.